Oracle is trending up 4.43%. This is Friday, the 19th of December 2025, pre-market session. Okay, it is has maintained is its upward its bullish trend. It's in a strong bullish trend. Rather, the underlying trend is a strongly bullish one. So, even though it has been contracting, the expansion that began in April, it's been contracting it since late September. So the underlying trend still remains bullish. Okay, let's get the sentiment before we carry on with the technicals on the stock. Let's get what's going on right now. Let's get sentiment. Yeah, time to get a sentiment. Let's see.
Morgan Stanley analysts say recent price action in Oracle, ORCL, has exposed growing investor anxiety around the broader AI infrastructure trade, particularly as capital commitments and funding structures come under closer scrutiny. That nervousness intensified after Oracle confirmed that Blue Owl Capital will not be contributing equity to a major Michigan based data center project, raising questions about how much balance sheet risk Oracle may ultimately shoulder as it continues its aggressive expansion of AI related infrastructure. At the same time, Oracle is trending across markets and social platforms following reports that it will serve as a managing investor in a new US based joint venture for TikTok, a role that would place Oracle in charge of overseeing sensitive US user data and key algorithms. For many investors, this potential arrangement represents a major strategic win, positioning Oracle at the center of one of the world's most valuable social media platforms, while reinforcing its credibility as a trusted cloud and data security provider. The news comes after a brutal stretch for the stock. Oracle shares are down roughly 10% over the past week, reflecting sustained selling pressure tied to earnings concerns, rising debt, and skepticism surrounding the sustainability of the AI infrastructure boom. Still, some investors welcomed Oracle's reported involvement in the TikTok deal, viewing it as a stabilizing catalyst that could help reverse sentiment and allow TikTok to continue operating in the US under a structure acceptable to regulators. Oracle closed Thursday trading nearly 45% below its all time high of $328.33, reached on September 10, a day Jefferies analyst Christopher Wood described as the most extreme manifestation of AI speculative mania this year. That characterization has become a frequent reference point in community discussions as traders debate whether the recent pullback marks a healthy reset or the unwinding of excess optimism. Among bulls, the TikTok joint venture is seen as a powerful validation of Oracle's cloud infrastructure, AI capabilities, and security credentials, potentially reigniting institutional demand and setting the stage for a relief rally or even a short squeeze, given elevated short interest after weeks of declines. Supporters argue that Oracle's ability to secure such a high profile role speaks volumes about its long term strategic positioning in AI and data intensive workloads. However, caution remains widespread. Skeptics continue to flag Oracle's substantial existing debt load, especially in light of its massive capital expenditure plans and expanding data center footprint. Some worry that even positive headlines may not be enough to offset balance sheet risk if AI demand or pricing power fails to scale as aggressively as management expects. As a result, Oracle now sits at the center of a high stakes debate, caught between renewed optimism tied to TikTok and lingering fears that the AI infrastructure trade may be entering a far more volatile and unforgiving phase.
Okay, so the stock is currently up 4.54%. The calculation got this one wrong. It was saying it was going to be a down day today. Okay, we'll see. Let's get to the 4 hour chart, which is reflecting this minor strength. But before that, there are couple of things here that are still relevant regardless of direction, which will be this, amongst other things, this projection of no, what do we have here? This projection is what? This is 227.77. Yeah, am I looking at the right? Yeah, this is 227. Strange. Um, it's really strange. The projections are saying some really, 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 really. Am I looking at the right projections here? $3.8. Is this Oracle? Yeah, it is Oracle. For goodness sake, what am I looking at here? Three. Oh my goodness. Yeah, for a change. I mean, you saw that yourself. Yeah. Oh my, unbelievable. $3.8. Okay. Yeah. I mean, never say never. Yeah. It is 227.89. It's a pivotal projection, not in play at the moment, but the last time it was reiterated was on the 18th. No, no, it was on the 17th. Yeah. Okay. If it closes above that, then the chance of it moving towards 237.93 improves, and also 241.1. Okay. So while the projections have gone really, really bearish, really scarily bearish, $3.8. That's a nightmare. Yeah, let's see here. The extrapolation is saying it's going to get rejected and may continue to decline, going all the way towards the 31st of December. And the 40 period moving average is also expected to continue to decline to prevent any possible expansion. Projections are saying 187.09, 190.92, 193.28. It has a pivotal projection here. It was last reiterated on Thursday, yesterday, and that's at 213.77. If it closes above that, then closing a 4 hour chart means after the various 4 hours period, I think it's from 4 a.m., 8 a.m., 12 noon, 4 p.m., on all this 4 hourly slots. So a close will be after either of these 4 hourly slots. So if it closes above that, then the chance of it advancing towards 223.95 improves. But momentum is expected to remain elevated from now, at least up till Monday's pre-market session, amid an anticipation of a continued decline in the price. We'll see how all of this will pan out. So that's what's going on right now. The stock is currently trending. It's not going away, if you like. It's not going away. Positive and negative. Yeah, dusted off the negative news from Blue Owl Capital that it's not going to back its uh yeah, it's not going to back its its project with equity or with credit, or one of those. Yeah. But in any case, yeah, that's what's going on right now. It's not exactly that much of a high beta stock. Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. We just need to point out here the liquidity is not that fantastic, but it doesn't matter that much. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.